how to make a haunted house. The skills we will be practicing are: I can find the area of regular and irregular shapes. I can assemble a haunted house. Step 1, make your walls. So from the back of my house, I've drawn a congruent shape. So the front and back of my house will each be a pentagon, which means 5-sided shape. Now I'm going to draw the sides of my house. I'm going to count how many squares it goes up, so that way my houses will be about the same size. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So this will be 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And I'm just going to make a rectangle. And I'm going to make it, so I've counted up 13, and I'm going to make it all the way straight across. So now I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to cut it out. Now I have all 4 walls of my house. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that is step 1. The next thing we're going to do is find the area. There's a couple of different ways we can do this. We can either use the area formula, which is length times width, or I can count the squares, because when we find the area, we're finding the area of square units. That's why the square paper helps us. So we're going to count the squares. It's pretty self-explanatory, so I'm going to explain how to use the formula for length times width. And this works for rectangles and squares. So I'm going to count across. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. And this way it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So it's 12 by 24. So we'll have to multiply 12 by 24. Okay? Okay. 12 by 24. So I'm going to do 2 times 4 is 8. 4 times 1 is 4. I'm going to put my 0 down as my placeholder. 2 times 2 is 4. 1 times 2 is 4. So the area of this shape is 8 plus. Step 3, upload your pictures of your walls with the recorded area on Canvas. Step 4, decorate your walls. Step 5, assemble your walls. And step 6, put on your roof. All right, to assemble your walls, you're going to take one of your front sides of your house and one of your side. Now line up the bottoms flat like this, and then you're going to use some mask or scotch tape, just 2 pieces, one at the bottom corner and one at the top corner. And then you'll repeat it over here. You're going to take this side of the house. You're going to have it look like kind of like this, unless your house is little. And then you're going to do the same thing. 2 pieces of tape, one at the top corner, one at the bottom corner. lastly, your fourth wall of your house, you're going to take it and I'm going to hold it up in the top and bottom corner piece. And then lastly, your fourth wall of your house, you're going to take it and I'm going to hold it up in the top and bottom corner piece. And I have it like this. So I have the one open side. So I'm going to set it up. Can't really get a good camera angle. Here, and then I'm going to put it like this, and I'm going to put a piece of tape at the top. All right, so house assembled. I put the last two pieces on these corners. Then I folded a piece of paper in half and taped it in two places on the roof into the house. So now my house is assembled. Last up, upload a picture of your house on Canvas and take